Hello everyone, I'm Greeshma and I recently completed my full stack web development internship at UnifiedMentor. It was a 2 month journey which truly gave me hands on practical experience to real world projects, which helped me grow both technically and personally. So, during the internship, I had the opportunity to work on two major projects, which are to do list and my own personal portfolio, which I built both using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which helped me to have the clearer understanding about front end development skills. And then one of the most valuable parts of this internship is that I learned how to run code in Visual Studio Code and link my projects into GitHub repositories, which I hadn't had much exposure before. And because of this internship, I was very confident right now with the projects. And finally, thank you to Unified Mentor for giving me this opportunity. And I truly appreciate your practical and hands on driven projects. And yeah, thank you very much again for this opportunity.